Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl T back with another video. In today's video, we are going to try and embroider a patch on the Brother Skitch. If you are new here, thank you for stopping by my channel. Please consider sticking around by smashing that subscribe button, checking out all of the other content on the channel, liking the video, sharing out the video to tell others about me. And for my returning members and subscribers, welcome back, fam, welcome back. Y'all, please do leave comments because I love interacting with you all. All right, y'all. So I have already started. Um, what is the word I'm looking for? I've already started embroidering this because it's going to take like 24 minutes, and I didn't want the video to be that long. So let me go ahead and show you guys what we have right now. Okay. So we're gonna go to our back camera. Okay. So this is what we have. Okay. That's black felt, a teal color. This is the other color that we're going to use. And this is my design that I made inside of Hatch. And I uploaded it to the Brother Art Spirit app. Okay? So I'm just going to kind of hold this for you and let you see where we are. Don't mind all the thread everywhere. So I am loving the Brother Skitch so far. I haven't quite figured out how to do a hat on it yet, but we're gonna work on that. But so far, so good. I like it thus far. I'm trying to think. I think I may change that purple and use like a hot pink color, maybe. I don't know how that would look with that color, but I'm thinking it might look pretty good instead of that purple. I think we'll put a darker color up against it. All right, so I will be back when this is just about done. Okay, and I'll let y'all see what the words look like once the words start stitching. So that's what we're looking like, guys. Again, for a little closer view. Okay. Okay, y'all. So I wanted y'all to see this part right here. And I did use this pink. Don't really know how well it's going to show up. It looks dark out here, but we shall see. Looking good. Looking good. So today is Tuesday, May 21st. So this is a pre-recorded video. I am recording this on the day of. So this will go up after I finish recording it. And I just want you guys to know I miss y'all. I will be back going live. I just don't know what day I'm gonna be able to go live because I got so much going on. I'm still getting, well, I got all the graduation orders out except one now, and then I just got another order. So there's that. So I've been working on getting orders out, getting kits shipped to y'all, and it's still, I think, 2 people that I gotta ship a kit to. And outside of that, we're just making designs, whether it be patches or rhinestone designs, and we're just working and y'all know, doing all the things. And I'm trying to get as close as I can to this so that y'all can see it. And I must say, shout out to Canvas Apparel. Jamel, if y'all don't know who that channel is, go over there and watch that channel because I swear, like, I don't think I would be able to learn how or know how to do anything when it comes to embroidery if I had not learned from his channel. So this is the second patch that I'm making. The first one that I made was Boss. That one is available on my website. And if you look at this, I mean, like, I work with full compensation and everything on this. One thing that I've learned is, you know, your satin stitches, you want to always change that stitch spacing, because satin stitches, when they're real long, they're not as tight as they should be. So you want to, you know, change that stitch spacing to about 0.9, 0.009. So I'm definitely not an embroidery wizard, but hey, if our sketch doesn't serve us any other purpose, baby, it's gonna help us make some beautiful patches. Okay, it's gonna help us make some beautiful patches. I am still working on several patch jackets. So yeah. But this is what we're looking like, y'all. Look how beautiful that is turning out. Okay. Shout out to Big Bro for dropping those nuggets. Go over there and show that this channel some love. 𝐊𝐶𝐘𝐒 is the channel. Go over there and show that channel some love. Okay. And I only see one thing on my design that I am going to go back and change. So once this part right here stitches out, yeah, I see it. That one little line, I think I am going to go back and take. I don't know if you guys can see it, but it's one little line in there. I'm going to go back and take that out, but I will not let it, excuse me, I will not let it stitch out on the patch. So I'll go back and take that out, because I don't think I want that line in there. But outside of that, this patch will be available for sale, or you can purchase the file. Actually, not the patch. Well, I put it this way: I can embroider the patch for you, and I can also sell you the file. So the file will go on my website, and you'll be able to get it in PES, and well, I'm saving in a bunch of different formats. And you'll get it in a zip folder. And I think this patch is like 3.225 by 2.09 for the height. So it's going to be just right. Okay? It'll be just the right size for a patch. And then I'm considering doing this in like different colors, but I'm not quite so sure yet. But this is the color that we're testing out for this style today. Alright, y'all, so I'll be back when this is like all the way done. But boy, look at there. Okay? Look how we're looking. Alright, y'all. Look how this is coming along. Okay? Super, super, super cute. We have about maybe 2 or 3 minutes left on this patch. So we're going to watch this out in real time. Now, one thing I meant to look up to see how many stitches per hour that, stitches per minute that the Brother Skitch does. Uh-oh. We got to check our needle, y'all. I'll be right back. Let me check our needle. Okay, y'all. So, I think we're back. For whatever reason, sometimes this needle plate cover at the bottom up under here, it jumps a lot. And that I don't like, but we shall see. If I continue to have that problem, then I will reach out to Brother and ask him what's the problem. Because it's the inside bobbin that is doing that. And the bobbin that is in here is the bobbin that came in here. I didn't pre-wind it or any of that. But y'all, look at this, okay? We got about 2 minutes to go. And that is looking good, my friends. So yeah, make one change to this file and that'll be that. And you can of course use whatever colors you want to use. Now, I saw on a debate in a Facebook group that the Brother machines do not like the new Bro thread. This is new Bro thread that I'm using in the pink, and it's Soology in the blue or teal color. It works, but I do know that on my PE800, or excuse me, is it PE900, PE8, whatever it is. Can't keep up with all these names out. I do know that it acts finicky sometime on there. So maybe you might want to check your thread composition, your thread. Just make sure, you know, it hadn't dry rotted or anything like that. Okay, y'all. So this last stitch that would have ended up in here, we're not going to do that stitch. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to okay, y'all, I'm not quite sure what happened, but I'm going to take this off of our hoop and I'm going to try to do it. There we go. The embroidery frame. No, I don't want to attach the embroidery frame. I want to cancel, and then what I'm going to do is quit, so that this will turn back shape. Okay, so this is what we're looking like. OMG. So I got what, one little stitch there. Okay, one there to do. And look at the back, y'all. I mean, look at that. Wow. Okay. Wow. All right, y'all. So I'm going to get it cleaned up and I'll be back. Okay, y'all. So I am using my heat press to put the heat and bond on the back. And you only, you just need a little piece of it. Please make sure that you use your Teflon sheet, and I'll take that off of my Teflon sheet, and then we're going to cut this down. Okay. All right, ladies and gentlemen, so this is what we have in its entirety. So this is the front of our patch. I've cut it down. This is the back of our patch. We have heat and bond, and then what you could ultimately do after you put it on your jacket is just go around it and sew it, either with a sewing machine or a or by hand. But check it out. There we go, y'all. One final look. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna come back to you guys really quick. Whoops. Wrong setting, wrong button I hit. Sorry about that, y'all. So I'm gonna come back to you guys. All right, y'all. So it's been my pleasure hanging out with you all thus far. Until next time, peace, be blessed, stay crafty. I'm your girl T, and I'm out. Bye, guys.